In this world of endless opportunities, introducing E2C Store, the platform that empowers you to bring your business ideas to life. Getting started is a breeze. Simply create an account and give your e-store a unique name. Let's call it the Tech Depot. Now it's time to make your store and your brand one of a kind. Customize it with your logo, colors, and eye-catching banners. Easily add and manage your products. It's simpler than you think. Track your sales, store visits, inventory, and more. Gain valuable insights to fuel your success. Your peace of mind matters. E2C Store partners with trusted payment providers to ensure secure transactions for you and your customers. No monthly fees or upfront costs. E2C allows you to reach customers worldwide, breaking barriers and expanding your business beyond borders. Help is just a click away. Our dedicated support team and extensive knowledge base are here to assist you. And there's so much more. E2C offers multiple currencies, supporting up to 10 international currencies, seller contact forms, product reviews, store marketing, the E2C marketplace, and they're all waiting for you. So why wait? Sign up at e2c.store today. It's simple, powerful, and completely free.